beautiful.
Yes. Shout out to Bruce.
I'll grab that. Stateroom. We got a balcony. Got a couch. So, storage tip. These come out. So you can put some stuff in there. Unless you're using it for a bed, of course. Little storage down there. So they do not have a USB port on these side tables. Right there. And again, more storage. And of course, you have your balcony. Let's go out here. Check this out. Regular size balcony. A little tight, really. For what it is. It's what you kind of expect. The two twins pushed to a king. Your safety briefing. Let's see if we can get this to. There we go. So when you come into the room, to your right on this room, you'll have a tall cabinet. And then next to it, like many other ships, you'll have the removable hangers, and you just take them off, put them back. This right here, if you want to use it as a shelf, you just twist that and you pull down. You got a shelf. We usually don't use it for that, so we leave that like that. Again, you have a bar. The bar does, but normally, there we go. Come out. So we will not use that for this one. So you've got 1, 2, and the third one. It's going to have your safe and some extra drawers for storage. You have your cooler right there. You have a hair dryer, which for me does wonders. The wife does not recommend you bother. It is not the best. And then we have our standard bathroom. You've got the shower right there, with unfortunately the curtain that can tend to stick to you. But you've got 3 stacks of storage right there. And if you really forced the issue, you could store it down there. If you had something you needed to store. You do have a little side table. We usually don't use that. We may ask them to take it out. And your towels for beach excursion, so you do not need to bring your own for that.